Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back, and this is my second tutorial in 3D Blender, and today we're going to take a look at how we can create this effect. Again. So what's happening here is you see a 3D object, and my name has purple color or bluish color in it. It has three lights. It's been rendered out, and one thing we have here is the animation. So we'll have animation. It's gonna be exciting, wonderful, and boring. Okay, start off with our scene. This is our stage. We have the light, we have the camera, and first let's set up our user preferences by going to the user preferences and change something. Let's move this up. Go to input and click left. Let's select with left. That's easier for me, and the rest is okay. For those of you who are using laptops or mice or a mouse without the jog wheel or the middle click wheel, click this and you can use the Alt and Shift and Control keys on your keyboard to emulate the 3-button mouse. Okay, let's go back. Let's save that as default first and then go back to our timeline. Okay, first let us delete this default box. Press delete, and now let's save this as our user preferences settings. Now let's right click in the middle and then press 1 on the numpad. Bring it to the front. This is the front view. Press 1 on the numpad. But if you accidentally clicked the number 1 or 2 or 3, notice this, on the keyboard, just press 1. Okay, these are the layers, by the way. Okay, click add, and then the text. Sorry, text should be there. Let's zoom in. Here we are. Let us rotate that. Press R to rotate. We want this to be constrained to our x-axis, so press X. And then we want to rotate this 90 degrees, right? So let's click 90 on the keyboard and left click. Let's move this over. Let's change the text by clicking this to edit mode. Okay, from object mode to edit mode. Then type our name. Let's type Jordan. That's my name. Click out of edit mode, object mode. Okay, let's move this in the middle here. Now let's fix our camera. Right now our camera is right here. If you press 0 on your numpad, that will look like that, because that's where the camera is. And if you render, this will be rendered out. But press 1. We want it to be here, something like this. Let's move this over. So we'll set the camera to this view. Press Control plus Alt and numpad 0. Okay, it's a little big, so let's just move out. Control Alt 0. Press Control Alt 0. Looks good. You can scale this or move this around. Now let's add our texture. Move this over. Press this circle thingy. Click new. Let's add our color by changing the diffuse in the diffuse box. Change this to a blue in the color swatches. So it changes the color right there. And if you press F12 on the keyboard, we see this Jordan Race. And you ask me, why is it color black? Well, don't worry. Press escape on the keyboard to go out of that render view. Let's add another light. The problem is the light. We only have a light and it's at the back, if you notice this. I'm pressing the jog wheel. Clicking the middle mouse, by the way, to orbit. So what we're going to do is we're going to add another light right click here, add another light here, lamp, add lamp, and we'll click use the point light. So put this right here. Oh, it's below, so just push this up on the z-axis. Let's add another one for good measure. Add lamp, point. So here it is. Maybe move this somewhere here. Now this guy's too high. Let's push this downwards here. The back. This guy's too low. Push this up. And a little bit farther. Somewhere here. This should be mirror. Okay. Let's render that out. Press 0. Press F12. Okay. I think that looks good. Okay, let's press escape. Just escape out of render mode. Okay. Now the problem here is it's 2D. If you press the middle mouse and orbit around, you can see it's just 2D, right? That's 2D text. That's not 3D. Let's orbit back here to the front. Press 0. So what we have to do is to change the text. But click the text, okay, and then go to the F thing here for the object data, and look for geometry tab down here, and let's bump up this extrude, and you will notice that it will become bigger. Has extrusion right there. Now it's 3D. Let's bump this up to about 0.1. 0.1 is okay. Looks good. 0.1. Okay. So that looks good. Maybe geometry 0.10 maybe. 0.10 is better. For me, at least. Okay. Next. So